Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday I explained the definition of tajweed. I intended to explain tajweed lessons in Urdu and English in the same video, but videos are getting longer in duration. That's why I think it's better to explain these lessons in English only. After completing the whole tajweed course in English, lessons will be explained in Urdu, Insha'Allah. To find these videos on YouTube, type TLE, Tajweed Lesson English. TLE space number of that particular lesson space name of that particular lesson. Otherwise, ask me the link if you are facing a problem while searching the video. So this is lesson number 2 about makharij. Makharij. Makharij is the plural of makhraj, and makhraj means exit, outlet. And in the science of tajweed, makhraj means the place from where a letter is pronounced, making it sound different from the sounds of other letters. Articulation point, you can say. To pronounce the 28 original letters and mad, there are 17 different articulation points located in 5 major areas of the human body. And those 5 areas are: number 1, al-halq, means the throat. Number 2, al-lisan, means the tongue. Number 3, ash-shafatayn, means the 2 lips. Number 4, al-khayshum, means the nasal cavity. Number 5, al-jawf, means the empty area of mouth, also known as oral cavity. These are the 5 major areas of human body where 17 different articulation points are located to produce the sounds of 28 letters. Remember, 2, 2, 3, 3 letters are produced from the same articulation point, but the way to pronounce is different. According to this calculation, each Quranic letter has a different sound. So first area is al-halq. Al-halq means the throat. The throat is called as al-halq in Arabic. In throat, there are 3 articulation points for 6 letters. Number 1, aqs al-halq. Number 2, wasatul halq. Number 3, adna al-halq. Aqs al-halq means the deepest part of the throat. The deepest part of the throat is called as aqs al-halq in Arabic. This is the farthest part from the mouth and closest to chest. You can see in this picture. From here, 2 letters are articulated: hamza, ha. Hamza, ha. Sounds of these 2 letters are produced from this articulation point, from aqs al-halq. And second one is wasatul halq. Wasatul halq means middle part of the throat. Middle part of the throat is called as wasatul halq in Arabic. See this picture. From here also 2 letters are articulated: ayn, ha. Ayn, ha. Sounds of these 2 letters are produced from this articulation point, means wasatul halq, from middle part of the throat. And the last one is adnal halq. Adnal halq means closest part of the throat. Closest part of the throat is called as adnal halq in Arabic. You can see in this picture, it is closest to the mouth. From here also 2 letters are articulated: ghain, kha. Ghain, kha. Sounds of these 2 letters are produced from this articulation point, from adnal halq. And these 6 letters are called as huruf halaqi: hamza, ha, ayn, ha, ghain, kha. Group of these 6 letters is called as حروف حلقي. حروف حلقي, حروف الحلق, the throat letters you can say. Because sounds of these 6 letters are produced from the different parts of the throat, and throat is called as al-halq in Arabic. So al-halq is one of the 5 major areas of human body in which 3 articulation points are located to produce the sounds of 6 letters. Remaining 4 areas will be explained in upcoming videos in Makharij part 2 and part 3. Insha'Allah. Till then, try to improve your tajweed. Ma'assalam.